Companies who made supply decisions purely on price have been challenged incredibly over the last few years. The opportunities that exist are significant with reshoring models. We've already seen that in the UK. In fact, our own business based in the West Midlands, the region itself has seen opportunity and investment. The West Midlands have got a proud history and heritage of innovation and engineering. PP Control and Automation is part of a larger group, the Manufacturing Assembly Network. The common thread, the common theme really, are the new and exciting opportunities that are being created by OEMs looking into the West Midlands for new partners, new emerging technologies, new solutions.
Just look around your home and you'll find things once made abroad which are now manufactured in Britain.
We talk about a seismic shock, something big enough to make individuals and companies reevaluate strategies. The size of this shock has certainly made companies reevaluate, rethink, and look for new partners.
I think manufacturers who are doing good things, who are focusing on the right things, so they're productive, they're niche, they're highly technical, they're passionate about what they do, they will survive and they will come through both Brexit and a global pandemic stronger and better as a result for it. Manufacturing is still alive and kicking. It is a revenue generator, a job creator, and we are here to stay. And I think this will only bring opportunities that those that want it.
The one thing that is clear, however, is if the UK manufacturing sectors are to seize the opportunity, we do require investment. We need to invest in people, we need to invest in process, we need to invest in automation. If we do that, then the opportunities are there for us. We have a golden generation of manufacturing ahead of us.